Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to scan the QR codes on your HP Envy X360. It is pretty simple. Just search for the camera app, open it. Now make sure that your camera is enabled, so if it is disabled then this light will be red, so I'm gonna click on that again, so it's not lighting up, so the camera is enabled. And now I just need to go to the QR mode, because there are 3 modes, and now I just need to point my QR in front of the camera. Then it'll show me the link in here, so I'm gonna click on that. Then I'm gonna open it with Google Chrome, and you can see it opens the website from the link. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.